Hi everyone, welcome back to Master Woodworking. Today, we're addressing a common question among woodworkers. Is red oak a good option for making tables? Whether you're an experienced woodworker or just beginning, selecting the right type of wood for your projects is very important. In this video, we'll look at the features of red oak and discuss if it's a good choice for creating beautiful tables. About red oak. Red oak is known for its durability and appealing grain patterns. It's a type of hardwood that's easy to find and reasonably priced, which makes it popular among furniture makers. Its strength and resistance to damage make it suitable for different types of furniture, including tables. Before we go further, let me tell you about something you'll enjoy if you like woodworking. Ted's Woodworking. It has the biggest collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans. Picture having quick access to thousands of ready-to-use plans with clear, step-by-step instructions, photos, and diagrams. Whether you're new to woodworking or have experience, Ted's Woodworking makes every project easier, no matter how big or small your workshop is or what tools you have. Watch Ted's video to learn more about this amazing resource. Now, let's get back to our main subject. Red oak is very versatile. It's easy to work with, so it's good for both hand tools and machines. Its textured grain gives it a unique look when finished, adding charm to any table design. Durability and care. When choosing red oak for a table, its strength is important. It can handle everyday use and is resistant to damage. With the right finishing, red oak tables can last for many years, making them a good choice for long-lasting furniture. Finishing and appearance. When it comes to finishing, red oak looks great with stains and finishes. You can choose a natural finish to show off its grain or a darker stain for a richer look. Red oak works well with different finishing methods, so you can get the exact look you want for your table. In summary, red oak is an excellent choice for making tables. Its durability, wide availability, and attractive appearance make it a top pick for woodworkers around the globe. Whether you're creating a dining table, coffee table, or any other piece of furniture, red oak offers both strength and classic beauty. Interested in discovering more woodworking projects and understanding the advantages of using red oak? Check out Ted's Woodworking for a comprehensive guide on everything you need to know about this remarkable material.